In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Discord stock in full screen mode. So let's get started. So let me show it to you in a photo. So if you are getting stuck on your Discord full screen and you cannot minimize it by using the minimize button, so how can you fix it? First is try pressing Control plus Shift plus F key. So let me open on-screen keyboard. On your physical keyboard, simply press Control, Shift, and F key together. Okay? Control, Shift, and F key. And see if that helped you fix the issue. Next method is you need to press Windows key. Okay, Windows key. Click on Windows key. And simply press the arrow keys one by one. Okay? Press the arrow keys one by one. So Windows key and the arrow keys one by one and see if as to what will work for you. Again, Windows key, not the shift key, Windows key, and then arrow keys one by one and see as to what will work for you. Okay? For the next method is you need to make a press by Control, Shift, and Escape keys. Okay, so make a press or press Control, Shift, and Escape keys to open the Task Manager. Now here, simply go to the Windows search bar and type Discord, or you can scroll down and look for Discord in the list. And then once you find Discord, all you have to do is you need to make a right click and then select End Task. If you cannot find the End Task process from here, click on Details, and then you have to look for Discord from here. So once you find Discord, what you can do is you need to make a right click and then select End Task. Okay, if this is discord.exe, right click, select End Task, and click on End Process. And then open it again, and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.